Welcome to SkySight Forecast, your global weather news source. And here are tonight's top global weather headlines.
Headline 1. Maryland School Flood Rescue, 200 Evacuated Safely. In Allegheny County, Maryland, a major rescue operation unfolded Tuesday as floodwaters rose to the second floor of Westernport Elementary School, prompting the evacuation of approximately 150 students and 50 adults using 15 rescue boats. Parents like Allie Wade rushed to the scene, some witnessing their children being rescued by boat. Although visibly shaken, the children escaped unharmed, with one child even joking he had the time of his life. Until the teacher wouldn't give us a snack. The town of Westernport remains under a flash flood emergency, with Georges Creek surging over 12 feet, approaching record levels from 1996. Emergency crews from neighboring counties are aiding response efforts, and though no injuries have been reported, cars were lost, roads were flooded, and local officials are calling for state emergency assistance. Rainfall continues across the mid-Atlantic with additional flooding risks in parts of Maryland, West Virginia, and Pennsylvania. Headline 2. Midwest and Plains brace for multi-day severe weather threat. A more active and dangerous weather pattern is developing across the Midwest and Plains, with large hail, damaging winds, and even tornado threats forecasted through early next week. Today, Wednesday, northern plains, especially parts of North and South Dakota into Nebraska, face threats of hail and wind. Thursday, from Wisconsin to northern Indiana and Michigan, cities like Chicago and Milwaukee may see golf ball-sized hail, high winds, and isolated tornadoes. Friday, the threat shifts southward toward Tennessee, Arkansas, and Kentucky. Weekend into early next week, focus moves to Oklahoma, Kansas, and North Texas, where tornadoes, hail, and high winds are possible. With warm Gulf air mixing with strong jet stream dips, this setup is ideal for severe thunderstorms, especially in regions that historically see the most May tornado activity. Stay weather-aware and monitor your local alerts. Headline 3. Torrential rains threaten Gulf Coast to Virginia. The southeast and eastern U.S. remain under flood advisories, with up to 10 inches of rain expected in parts of Florida, Georgia, Alabama, and the Carolinas. North Carolina, already drenched from earlier storms, faces new flash flood warnings, with creeks, highways, and underpasses threatened. Cities like Vail, Cruces, and Boone are already reporting water over roads. A possible tornado was reported in Palm Beach, Florida, as intense storms continued to batter the region. The storms are also impacting travel. Over 40 flights were canceled and 160 delayed at Miami International Airport, with the FAA issuing ground stops across multiple southeastern hubs including Tampa, Miami, and Atlanta. With saturated soil and ongoing downpours, even moderate rainfall could trigger dangerous flash floods, especially in low-lying areas from South Carolina to Virginia.
That's all for today's forecast. Stay informed, stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow, right here on SkySight Forecast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for daily updates at midnight.